Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana, lesson number 15. Rebuile gape. We are here again to teach you some Setswana. Leina la me ke Tian.
Leina la me ke Mpho.
Au siame, Mpho.
Ke siame Tian, au siame?
Ke siame. A le siame, bagaetso.
Bagaetsho ba siame.
A resimole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta,
All right, Mpho. So we're continuing with the restaurant setup and ordering food and drinks. And we've already learned the word for please, but would I use please in this context as well?
Yes.
Twe twe, right?
Tswetswe.
Okay, so I can just say coffee twe twe.
Yes.
Just like that. It's important for me to explain to the listeners that you can easily start communicating with just putting a few words together. I mean, that in itself means something. Coffee, twe twe. All right. Now, if I wanted to elaborate a little bit and say, I'll have a coffee.
We'll be saying ke tla nwa coffee.
Okay, ke tla nwa. Ke tla nwa. But the nwa here is drink.
It's drink, yes.
Okay. So you're literally saying, I will drink coffee.
Yes.
Ke tla nwa coffee.
Coffee.
Okay.
Because if we say I'll have coffee, literally we'll be saying in Setswana, ke tla nna le coffee.
Yes. Nna being to have.
To have.
All right. It's interesting because in French and Spanish you say, I take a coffee. In English you say, I'll have a coffee. And Setswana you say, I will drink a coffee, which
Yes.
actually makes more sense.
It's true.
All right. So I'll have a glass of lemonade. How would I say that?
Ke tla nwa galase ya lemonade.
All right. I got ketlanwa, I will drink. Galase, a glass. Okay. Ya lemonade.
Yes.
Of lemonade.
Of lemonade.
Obviously, the verb for to drink is ho noa.
Perfect.
So if I drink, it's ke noa. You drink is o noa. We drink re noa.
Perfect.
They drink ba noa.
Yes.
Okay, and you plural drink is le noa.
Yes.
And if I want to order another coffee,
Ke tla nwa coffee gape.
ke tla noa coffee gape.
Yes.
Gape, you said in previous lessons, is again.
Again.
Okay,
Another.
like ribuile gape.
Yes.
We are
Back again.
We are back again.
Yes.
But now in this context, it's the same word, but it means another.
Yes.
So you're literally saying, I will drink coffee again.
Again.
Ke tla noa. Will you say that
Coffee.
again?
Ke tla nwa coffee gape.
Okay. All right. So another glass of wine would sort of be the same thing. Let's add a please to that. Another glass of wine, please. How would I say that?
Galase ya moveini gape tswetswe.
Okay. So glass, galase, of wine, ya moveni. I can also say ya veini, not?
Galase ya veini.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Galase ya veini. Gape twetwe.
Gape tswetswe.
Again, please.
Yes.
Okay, another glass of wine, please. All right, the verb for to eat. What is that verb again?
Go ja.
Hoja. Okay, so if I say, I'm going to have cake, I'll say, kitla ja. Cake, what's the word for?
Perfect.
Okay, is cake, what do you have a word for cake?
We do. We do have a word for cake. Ke kuku.
Kuku.
Yes.
From the word cook.
Cook.
For Afrikaans.
Yes.
So I'll say, kitla ja kuku.
Yes.
Okay, it's not koko like chicken.
Not koko or kuku like chicken.
Okay, kuku.
Yes.
Okay, ketlaja kuku.
Yes.
I'm going to eat
Cake.
cake. Now, if I am hungry, how would I say that?
Ke tshwerwe ke tlala.
Sure. Okay, so that's a bit of a sentence there. What is that first word you said?
Ke tshwerwe
Ketwerwe.
ke tlala.
All right. What does twerwe mean?
Tshwerwe comes from a word or a verb, go tshwara, to hold,
Okay, to hold.
you know. But I am held of hunger.
Okay, so this is the conjugation of the verb gotswara.
Yes.
I'm held. Ke tlala. Would tlala be hunger?
Yes.
Okay. And the ke meaning by.
By.
Okay, I'm held by hunger.
Yes.
I love that. And I'm thirsty.
Ke nyorilwe.
Ke nyorilwe.
Yes.
All right.
Go nyorwa, it's a verb. To thirst.
Okay, to be thirsty. Oh yes. You
Yes.
thirst is o.
O nyorilwe.
Okay, so you have to conjugate the verb. To be thirsty is ho
Nyorwa.
nyorwa.
Yes.
Nyorwa. But when I thirst, it changes to nyorilwe.
Nyorilwe.
Nyorilwe. It's quite
Yes.
difficult to say that one. Nyorilwe. And you thirst is o nyorilwe.
O nyorilwe.
All right. Okay. We'll cover this in the grammar sections to come. How would I say can one eat here?
A mongwe. A ka jafa.
A mongwe?
A ka jafa.
Okay. What is mongwe?
It's like someone, you're saying someone.
All right.
But the English version there said can one.
Oh, yes. That's obviously a very proper way to say, can one eat here?
Yes.
Right. But actually in Setswana, mongwe is someone. So
Someone.
you're saying, can someone eat here?
Yes.
I got jars to eat and fa is here.
Yes.
All right. Now, the aka, you lost me a little bit.
Aka, can you, can. Aka comes from a word
Okay.
can.
Oh, all right. So the aka is it from a verb to be able to do something or to can
To can.
do something?
The ability to do something.
Okay.
you know?
So if I can walk, I would say ke ka tsamaya.
Yes.
I am able to walk.
Yes.
All right. And if you are able to walk, o ka tsamaya.
Yes.
Okay. And obviously this in the beginning of the sentence makes it a question.
A question.
So if I were to make it a statement, I'd just say mongwe akajafa.
Aka jafa.
Akajafa.
Yes.
But mongwe akajafa makes it a question.
Yes. For instance, if you say, can we leave?
Yes.
A re ka tsamaya.
Reka. Oh, can we?
We.
Okay. We can. Reka.
Yes.
Tsamaya, go.
Yes.
I love that. Reka tsamaya.
Yes.
Reka tsamaya twe.
Yes. Perfect.
Can we leave,
Perfect.
please?
Perfect.
All right. What is the verb for to smoke?
Go goga.
Now, hold on. I know this verb. This actually means to pull. Is that correct?
Yes. Perfect.
But now you use this in context to convey the meaning of...
Yes. Inhaling.
Really? So I inhale.
Ke a goga. Yes.
Okay, let's say I want to ask, can I smoke here? I'm going to take a guess here. I would say, a ke ka goga fa. Is that correct?
Yes. Perfect.
Okay, because I remember ke ka is I can, goga to smoke, and fa is here, and I just made it a question by putting an a in front of the sentence. A ke ka goga fa.
Yes.
Just like that. If there's a smoking sign in English that says no smoking, what would it be in Setswana? What would that smoking sign say?
Ga go gogiwe.
Ga go gogiwe.
Yes.
Wow.
Of Jesus.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a good exercise for the listeners. Ga go gogiwe, ga go gogiwe. Is there a word for breakfast in Setswana?
Yes, there is. Dijo tsa mo mosong.
Dijo is food, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Dijo. Oh, mosong, morning. Yes,
Mosong.
obviously.
Yes.
Food of morning.
Yes.
Dijo tsa mo mosong.
Yes.
So what would lunch be?
Dijo tsa motshegare.
Okay, food of midday.
Yes.
And dinner, can I take a guess?
Yes.
Dijo food tsa bosigo.
Perfect.
Awesome. And let's make it, I want to buy you a beer.
Ke ka rata.
Oh, I would like, yes. I would
Yes.
like ke karata, yes.
Yes. Ke ka rata go go rekela bojalwa.
Ke karata, I would like. Ho is obviously to. Ho again is the you. Rekela is to buy.
Yes.
From the verb horeka.
Yes.
Boja was beer.
Yes.
So literally, I would like to you buy beer.
Beer.
Okay. I think we should stop it there for today, Mpho. We've got some homework to do, obviously. I hope all our listeners are now able to walk into a restaurant and start using this vocabulary to order a coffee or a senotsididi.
Oh, perfect.
We'll see you next week. Don't forget to go to the website, 20minutesetswana.co.za. Mpho, thank you once again for joining me.
Ke lebogile.
And we'll see you next time. Go fitlela nako e tlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say later.